This video, I'll show you how to install the character switch mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select download the zip file without installer and wait for this 30 seconds and download this mod. Once download done, right click on the essential pack and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close off here, right click on the game and select open file location. Then drop all these files inside a game folder. Before that, pack up your salaries folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the salaries folder, and drop all these files inside a game folder. Replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open the mod loader, and drop these two files, modloader and modloader.asi. Replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open the switching between characters. Open copy to game folder. Drag and drop these two files inside the game folder. Once this done, scroll down and find this 14,000 KB. Right click, show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch through this newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, press H plus 5 key in your keyboard and choose the character using right and left arrow. We have successfully changed the character. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.